Today, we're going to crack open this Kyogre EX box and see what's inside. So we've done the Dialga. We've got that one left. No idea what it's actually called, but today we're on Kyogre. So let's do it and let's see what we get. Obviously, the packs will be the same, but the pulls will be different. Let's go. Bang. So here's a holo. Here's a code. The packs. Sparks, Stella, and Tempolo. Chuck the box. Yeah, the box can stay in frame, can't it? And go there. Stick the packs on it. What we're feeling. This way. Tempolo first. Get it all ripping there. In fact, let's leave that card up first. Before I forget. Kyogre into there. Onto the sleeves. Alright, pack number 1, Tempolo Forces, Kyogre EX tin. Let's go. Bang. 1 to the front. Hopefully we get a good one in here. Code card. Electric. Rolly-Colly. Azumarill. Yamper. Medichan. Fortress. Vivicolt. Latias. Ponyta. Swarsabuk. And Roaring Moon. So I had the totals for his pack on screen. Stick them on that pile. Next pack, Stellar Crown. Again, get a little rip in it, so it makes it easy for me to rip. There we go. Pack number 2, Stellar Crown. Let's go. Kyogre EX tin. If you're watching the full videos, please leave a likes and whatever else you do. Subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. Got Leaf. Got Driftbloom, Ponyta, Cubone, Milcery, Vivavolt, Azumarill, Double, Carnivine, Chargerbug, and Rhyperior. So I had the totals for his pack on the screen. As I was saying before I opened that pack, if you're watching the old videos and liking the content, please show some love and support. It helps me build the channel. It means I can bring more packs to you guys. And hopefully, we'll finally get out of this bad streak and get a good pull. So pack number 3, Surgeon Sparks, Kyogre tin. Let's go. Made out of his bad hit run and get a good hit. Hopefully it's inside here. Bang. Code. Electric. Kragonol. Uxie. Chargedet. Smoochum. Passimian. Lively Stadium. Shinotic. Centurion, don't think I saw you before. Bullpix, that's a cute card. And Rabska. So I had the totals on screen. Again, we ain't got no hit yet in this tin. So hopefully, it's sitting in this last pack. We'll soon find out though. Get a little rip. Pack number 4, Surgeon Sparks. Final pack of the day. Let's go. Got 1 to the front. Bang. Hopefully the pulls sitting in here. So code. Dark. Tandemus. Pampy. Stunkfish. Shellos, there's 2 of them. Shinotic. Time. Vivicant. Tandemus. Annihilate. And Palkia. So I had the totals of his pack on screen. I had the totals for the full tin on screen. Didn't even get a hit in that one. My luck is amazing. Right, and I shall catch us all next time.